Since its inception, Lamborghini has been synonymous with raw power, stunning design, and a driving experience like no other. The Lamborghini Huracan, named after a Spanish fighting bull known for its courage and strength, lives up to its name by delivering a blend of outstanding performance and breathtaking aesthetics. In this review, we delve into the world of the Lamborghini Huracan, exploring its design, performance, technology, and overall driving experience. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Design and exterior. The design and exterior of the Lamborghini Huracan are a true testament to the brand's commitment to creating automotive masterpieces. From every angle, the Huracan exudes an aura of power, speed, and aggression. The Huracan's design is a harmonious blend of sharp angles, aerodynamic curves, and striking lines. Its low and wide stance, coupled with its aggressive front fascia, commands attention on the road. The iconic Y-shaped LED headlights, along with the menacing grille, give the Huracan an unmistakable and menacing presence. Every surface of the car is meticulously sculpted to optimize aerodynamics and enhance performance. The attention to detail is impeccable, with every aspect of the design serving a purpose. The large air intakes and side scoops not only enhance the car's aesthetics, but also channel airflow to cool the engine and provide optimal downforce. The dynamic side profile showcases the car's sculpted lines, while the rear end features an imposing diffuser and an array of exhaust outlets that emit a symphony of sound. Furthermore, the Huracan offers a range of customizable options, allowing owners to personalize their vehicle to their tastes. Whether it's selecting from a wide range of vibrant paint colors or various wheel designs, the Huracan provides ample opportunities for owners to create a unique and visually stunning supercar that reflects their individual style. Performance and handling. The Lamborghini Huracan is a performance powerhouse that delivers an exhilarating driving experience. At the heart of the Huracan is a mighty 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 engine that produces an awe-inspiring 610 horsepower. This immense power allows the Huracan to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds, propelling you forward with breathtaking speed. The engine's symphony of sound is a delightful auditory experience that accompanies the acceleration, creating a thrilling atmosphere every time you step on the throttle. The power delivery is immediate and relentless, providing an adrenaline rush like no other. The handling capabilities of the Huracan are equally impressive. Its advanced all-wheel drive system ensures exceptional traction and stability, allowing for confident and precise cornering. The car feels planted and balanced, hugging the road with tenacity and precision. The electromechanical steering is direct and responsive, providing excellent feedback and making every turn feel engaging and intuitive. Interior and comfort. Stepping into the interior of the Lamborghini Huracan is like entering a world of luxury and performance. The driver-centric layout immediately immerses you in the driving experience, with all controls and features within easy reach. The high-quality materials used throughout the cabin exude sophistication and craftsmanship. The Alcantara leather seats provide excellent support and comfort, keeping you snug during spirited driving. The seating position is low and sporty, reinforcing the car's performance-oriented nature. The ergonomics are well thought out, ensuring that all essential controls are easily accessible. While the Huracan's interior is focused on performance, Lamborghini has not neglected comfort. The cabin is surprisingly quiet considering the car's power, allowing for an enjoyable driving experience even during longer journeys. However, it's important to note that the Huracan's interior sacrifices some practicality and spaciousness in favor of its sporty character. Overall, the Lamborghini Huracan's interior strikes a fine balance between luxury and performance. It creates an exclusive and exhilarating environment that enhances the overall driving experience, making every moment behind the wheel a true pleasure. Technology and safety features. The Lamborghini Huracan is not just a showcase of raw power and stunning design. It also incorporates cutting-edge technology and advanced safety features to enhance the driving experience and ensure occupant protection. At the heart of the technological features is the high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system. It provides seamless connectivity, satellite navigation, and multimedia options, allowing you to stay connected and entertained on the go. The system is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to access and control various functions. while keeping your focus on the road. The digital instrument cluster delivers essential information in a visually appealing manner, providing key data such as speed, RPM, and navigation prompts. This helps keep the driver informed and engaged with the driving experience. When it comes to safety, the Lamborghini Huracan is equipped with advanced features to protect both driver and passengers. Electronic stability control and traction control work together to ensure optimal grip and stability, especially during high-performance driving. The carbon ceramic brakes provide exceptional stopping power, enhancing safety in emergency situations. The Huracan is equipped with multiple airbags strategically placed to provide comprehensive driving experience and everyday usability. The driving experience of the Lamborghini Huracan is nothing short of extraordinary. From the moment you press the start button and hear the V10 engine roar to life, you are transported into a world of exhilaration and adrenaline. The Huracan's acceleration is mind-boggling. With its powerful engine and lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, it catapults you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.8 seconds. The power delivery is immediate and relentless, pushing you back into your seat with a surge of adrenaline. The symphony of the V10 engine's exhaust note adds to the sensory experience, providing an exhilarating soundtrack that amplifies the thrill of driving. The handling of the Huracan is equally impressive. The advanced all-wheel drive system provides exceptional traction and stability, allowing for confident and precise cornering. Despite its supercar status, the Lamborghini Huracan also offers surprising everyday usability. The dual-clutch transmission and various driving modes, including Strada, Sport, and Corsa, allow you to adapt the car's behavior to different road conditions and personal preferences. Price of Lamborghini Huracan. The Lamborghini Huracan is a remarkable supercar that combines stunning design, exhilarating performance, and advanced technology. The price of the Lamborghini Huracan can vary depending on the model and customizations chosen. The base price of the Lamborghini Huracan typically starts around $200,000 to $230,000. However, it's important to note that additional options, features, and customization choices can significantly increase the price. Higher performance variants or limited edition models can command higher price tags, ranging from $280,000 to well over $300,000. When considering the price of the Huracan, it's essential to recognize that you're not just paying for a car. You're investing in a piece of automotive art and engineering excellence. The Huracan represents the pinnacle of Lamborghini's craftsmanship, innovation, and performance. Conclusion. The Lamborghini Huracan is a captivating masterpiece that combines stunning design, raw power, and exhilarating performance. It embodies the spirit of the Lamborghini brand, delivering an unforgettable driving experience that will leave enthusiasts in awe. From its striking exterior to its driver-centric cockpit, every aspect of the Huracan is crafted with precision and attention to detail. The V10 engine provides blistering acceleration and a soundtrack that stirs the soul, while the advanced technology and safety features ensure a modern driving experience without compromising on safety. Although the Huracan's interior sacrifices some practicality, it offers a level of comfort and luxury befitting a true supercar.
Thank you for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.